Okay guys, so sorry about that. I have to make a new video, but whatever. So yeah, so sorry guys if you don't want to see this video. If you don't want to see 2 separate videos. So that part was part 1, and then this part's gonna be part 2. So let me show you my trampoline works. I'm sure you guys know how it works. Sorry, my dog's gonna come by right now. Told you. So yeah, I'll do this. 1, 2. Ugh, I fell. Okay guys, so that's how my trampoline works. So, yeah. Sorry. Next our neighbors are chatty. Okay, so whatever. That's my trampoline. And then here I had a party. Ew, poop. So this is my pool, but my dad drained it out. Oh my god. So, okay, so that's my lemon tree. That's my pomegranate tree, and then that's my lime tree. Okay, so now let's check on our pomegranate charms that we have been baking. Well, I have been baking mine for 20 minutes now. So, yeah. So let's go check on them. There's Bella. There's Leah. You can't always see her. There's Leah. Okay guys, so sorry. So that's basically my backyard. So now let's check on the charms. Okay, so they're done. And let me turn on my light. My sister is watching TV once again. Sorry. You guys don't like it. So I put my charms on a piece of wax paper. So yeah. So yeah guys, they're done baking, and I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. So bye guys.
I just can't click with you after that.
Let's head into the kitchen, okay?
Oh, so yeah, I hope you guys
So let's start with the
really enjoyed. Sorry, so I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Bye guys.